Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets without breaking the bank. Today we have something exciting for you, a comprehensive countdown of the top 5 best AliExpress dash cams under $100. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest gadget. So let's get started. Introducing the ASDOM M300S, the ultimate car recorder that captures every moment on the road with stunning clarity and precision. The ASDOM M300S is equipped with advanced technology and features that make it the perfect companion for any driver. Let's take a closer look. With its 4K plus 1080 pixels dual camera system, the ASDOM M300S records crystal clear video footage both in front of your vehicle and behind it. You'll never miss a detail, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or documenting an incident on the road. Experience true high-definition video recording that provides sharp images and vibrant colors, allowing you to relive your journeys with unparalleled clarity. And that's not all. We've included a free 64GB DF card, so you can start recording right out of the box without worrying about storage space. Capture hours of footage without interruption. Simply insert the TF card into the ASDOM M300S, and you're ready to go. The ASDOM M300S boasts an impressive 800MP lens that delivers sharp and detailed images, ensuring that every frame is captured with exceptional quality. Whether it's day or night, you can rely on the ASDOM M300S to provide clear and reliable footage thanks to its advanced night vision technology. Stay connected on the road with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities. The ASDOM M300S allows you to track your route and speed, providing valuable information for your journeys. And with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily transfer and share your recordings using your smartphone or tablet. Control the ASDOM M300S with just your voice. Simply give commands to start or stop recording, take a snapshot, or protect important footage effortlessly, ensuring that you can keep your focus on the road ahead. Get your ASDOM M300S today and start capturing every moment on the road like never before. Introducing the Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam, the ultimate cycling accessory that combines safety and functionality like never before. The Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam is not your ordinary tail light. It's a high-definition camera, a car recorder, a waterproof tail light, and a bike warning system all in one compact device. Capture every moment of your ride with its 1080p HD camera. Whether you're cycling through urban streets or exploring off-road trails, the Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam records crystal clear videos and photos, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Safety is paramount when cycling, especially during nighttime rides. With its IPX6 waterproof rating, the Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam is designed to withstand any weather condition, ensuring your peace of mind even in the rainiest adventures. But that's not all. The Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam doubles as a bike warning system. Featuring multiple flash patterns, it enhances your visibility on the road, making sure that others can see you from a distance, helping prevent accidents and ensuring a safer ride for everyone. Transferring your recorded footage has never been easier. Simply connect the Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam to your computer using the provided USB cable and effortlessly transfer your videos and photos for editing or sharing with friends. The Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam is designed to fit most bikes, making it a versatile accessory for cyclists of all levels. Whether you're commuting to work, going on a weekend adventure, or participating in a race, this tail light cam is your reliable companion. Magic Shine Bicycle Tail Light Cam, where safety meets innovation. Order yours now and embark on a cycling journey like no other. Introducing the revolutionary ASON H5C10 Rearview Mirror Dash Cam, the ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this dash cam takes your driving experience to a whole new level. The ASON H5C10 comes equipped with dual lens cameras that capture both the front and back views simultaneously, ensuring you have a complete record of your journey. Whether you're driving through scenic landscapes or navigating busy city streets, never miss a single detail with this powerful dashcam. Say goodbye to small screens and limited visibility. With its full-screen touch IPS display, the ASON H5C10 provides a crystal clear view of your recordings. Easily navigate through the menu and access all the features with just a touch, making it convenient and user-friendly. Worried about your car's safety when parked? The ASON H5C10 has you covered. Its 24H park mode ensures continuous monitoring even when your car isn't attended. Now you can have peace of mind knowing that any incidents or accidents will be captured, providing valuable evidence if needed. The ASON H5C10 Rearview Mirror Dashcam is the perfect companion for every driver. Capture every moment, enhance your safety, and enjoy a hassle-free driving experience with this state-of-the-art device. ASON H5C10. Drive with confidence. Introducing the Kao HD Dash Cam, the ultimate companion for your car. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, the Kao HD Dash Cam takes your driving experience to a whole new level. Let's take a closer look at what sets the Kao HD Dash Cam apart from the rest. The Kao HD Dash Cam records in stunning 2K 1440p HD resolution, capturing every detail on the road with exceptional clarity. Say goodbye to dark and blurry recordings. The Kao HD Dash Cam comes equipped with advanced night vision technology, ensuring clear and sharp video footage, even in the darkest of nights. The Kao HD Dash Cam's wide dynamic range feature adjusts exposure levels, delivering balanced and accurate recordings in both bright and dark environments. Stay focused on the road and keep your hands where they belong. With voice control, you can easily operate the Kao HD Dash Cam using simple voice commands. Connect the Kao HD Dash Cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and have instant access to your recorded videos, allowing you to conveniently view, download, and share your driving experiences. Protect your vehicle even when it's parked. The Kao HD Dash Cam features a 24-hour parking mode that automatically starts recording when it detects any motion or impact, ensuring peace of mind wherever you go. Upgrade your driving experience today with the Kao HD Dash Cam, the ultimate companion for safety, security, and peace of mind. Get your Kao HD Dash Cam now and enjoy a safer and more connected drive. Visit our website or contact your nearest retailer. Introducing the D-Life 4K Dash Cam, the ultimate companion for every driver. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the D-Life 4K Dash Cam is revolutionizing the way we capture our journeys on the road. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities, the D-Life Dash Cam ensures that every detail of your drive is captured in stunning clarity. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes or license plate numbers, you won't miss a thing. Stay connected on the go with the D-Life 4K Dash Cam's built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Simply download the dedicated app on your smartphone, and you can easily access and manage your recordings anytime, anywhere. Drive with peace of mind knowing that the D-Life 4K Dash Cam acts as your reliable black box. It automatically detects and saves video clips during critical moments, such as accidents or sudden braking, ensuring that you have undeniable evidence when you need it most. Capture the entire scene with the D-Life 4K Dash Cam's wide-angle lens. Its expansive field of view ensures that you can monitor not just what's happening in front of your car, but also the surroundings, providing comprehensive coverage for your safety. Installing the D-Life 4K Dash Cam is a breeze. With its compact and user-friendly design, it seamlessly integrates into your car's interior, becoming an essential part of your driving experience. Upgrade your driving adventures with the D-Life 4K Dash Cam. Capture every moment, ensure your safety, and have peace of mind on the road. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.